Star Daily.
Hey Star Traders, everyone out there. I trust everyone is doing well today. It is Thursday today, 6:45 p.m. my time. So this is a London market open here. Not too long of a video today because I just want to go through one pair. A lot of things happen. I've been taken out on a couple of trades right now. So the only thing that I want to look at today is the Aussie yen on the 1 hour time frame. Here in front of you right now, you can currently see a bat pattern here because we were just shy of the 618 of our B point. But after some market movement that has happened here, so price action moving sideways, continued to move sideways. Price action came all the way up, didn't quite hit our entries here, and you can see that price action continues to roll over, retesting our lows, looking left, and now currently moving towards the upside again. Where is price action most likely to go to from here? Students of structure should already know this because the next stop would be at structure. So right at this level here. I'll just scroll over so you can see it better. Test, test, test. Little bit of a test in here. Test here, and then a little bit of a test here. So price action moving all the way up to this level right here. We may see a reaction again and then a continued move towards the upside. If we do, then we can look for another trading opportunity, which I'll cover in a moment. And if we continue moving down towards these lows right here, and then we close, well, most likely we're looking for price action to move up to retest that level and then continue to move down or retest or go sideways or continue to break towards the upside from there. That is what can happen with price action. If we delete that, let's continue to take a look at our next trading opportunity. Okay, so no longer looking at this pattern. Actually, what I'll do, all right, let's try that again, shall we? So we've got a Fibonacci retracement from this swing high all the way down to this swing low. Now right here we're just shy of the 786. Okay, so for this to be a butterfly pattern, price action would need to come up and touch the 786. Now we're just shy of this from our impulse leg, Fibonacci swing high to swing low. Our retracement here is just before, just before the 786. Now, because we have a deep 618 retracement, we're going to get a really, really good risk to reward on this potential Gartley pattern. That is to say, if price action continues to push towards the upside and retesting these highs right here looking left, okay? This is the area where I'm looking to sell the market. This is the area where I'm looking to be a potential seller in the markets. Okay. So as we move all the way up, price action moves all the way up just before the 786. This puts us on Gartley pattern alert. Okay. If it hit the 786, then we would be on butterfly pattern alert. But we don't. We're just shy of it. That deep retracement is going to set up a nice risk to reward on the Gartley pattern here. So the second criteria that we're looking for is a Fibonacci retracement. So like this, Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high. Okay. So swing low, swing high. Price action comes all the way down to the 618. What we're looking for is a 618 B point and a 618 C point. So that's two criteria met. The third one is a CD completion up at a 127, okay? Which will take us all the way up to this swing high right here. So at this structure level, we're looking for a CD completion. We have our B point, we have our C point. Now what we want to do together is a Fibonacci extension, right? So grab the Fibonacci extension tool and go from swing low to swing high and then back down in. Yeah? You'll see that we have a 127 Fibonacci extension. This is where we want to sell the market, okay? Right at the highs. Right at the tip of the high, giving us an incredible risk to reward on this pattern. And this pattern, the win percentage is over 50%. So this looks like a really good pattern opportunity for us to take. Potential, because remember, price action can just fall off right here, giving us a close below this low, and then a retracement, and then further move towards the downside. That could happen. So this is a potential pattern. Incredible risk to reward. CD completion, if price action moves all the way up into our 127, then we're looking to sell the market with our Gartley pattern right here. So this is good, this is exciting, because I've been covering nothing but BAP patterns in almost every trade of the day. So this time we've got something new. This time we have a Gartley pattern. Again, with an incredible risk to reward setup. So what are we looking for now? Well, we have stops and targets. So our stops will be above our X point looking left, okay? So be up around here. We want to have our stops resting above our X point, because what is the purpose of a stop, if you remember? If price action pushes all the way up and knocks us out, we want to get out of the market, because most likely price action going to pull back and looking to reload into new highs. So that means we would be wrong initially on the trade. That's why our stop placement is there, as mentioned in previous videos. So let's take a Fibonacci retracement tool and go from swing low all the way up to swing high, where our 127 Fibonacci extension is. So this will be our entries right here. Okay. And we're looking for, we're looking for a 382 for target 1. Okay. So right here would be my entries. Okay. Again, we want to front run in front of the 382, and the same applies for the 618. We want to front run our targets to be in the best chance, best opportunity to be filled. Okay. So looking for 382 for target 1 and 618 for target 2. And for this pattern, our stops, of course, like all other patterns, our stops are above our X point looking left as well. Okay, so we've got a little bit of risk for a good reward. So actually, let's do this. Let's do this. Grab a box tool. Okay, so make our stops red. And draw another box, and we'll make our targets green. Like this, is it? want a color that's a little bit easy on the eyes, but I think that's okay. So just draw another box as well for our target 2. All the way down to the 618. So if I move that to the side, right here. Now we can visually see a lot better. This is my entry at the 127. This is my risk, and this is my reward on this Gartley pattern trade. Again, this is on the Aussie Yen 1 hour time frame. This is the potential pattern that I'm looking for using the if then syntax, which is what I use in everything that I do. Right? If price action moves towards the upside and hits our 127, then I want to sell the market. Where? Into target 1 at the 382 and target 2 at the 618. So this is the trade that I'm looking to pay attention to for today. Yeah, so not a super long video, trying to keep it more short now. This is what's on my radar. And again, as always, I just want to mention that the Star Classroom is free to join. You will learn how to read the language of the markets if you go click and sign up and get started with the education videos. But one of the things that is really important after you sign up for the Star Classroom is to, well, first and foremost, is to download Slack. And that way you can get in touch with me and talk with me one-on-one, okay? And I'll be with you every step of the way in order to help you achieve the results that you're looking for when it comes to trading. Then after that, what I really want you to go through, the series I want you to go through, 4-part series by the way, is the foundation course. The foundation, 4 different videos, and what it shows you is the reality of trading, behind the scenes, doing this professionally. What does it really take? What's the reality behind trading, behind closed doors? What does it look like? What are the expectations? Can I actually do it? Is it right for me? What do I need? Important questions to consider. And that's what I touch on in the 4-part series. So anyone that actually wants to make this work and do it in a professional manner, having this as a business, treating trading as a business, I highly encourage you to go sign up and watch those videos. It really is a big eye-opener. I get incredible feedback from it, and I'm sure positive that you'll find those 4 videos highly valuable. All right. Until tomorrow, be safe, enjoy life. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.